Just a few advantages of getting a CPN package from us. We have many people wanting a CPN package to get into an apartment, rent a house, or buy an automobile. With our basic CPN package or above, they enjoy only paying first month's rent and a low or no security deposit when renting. Why is this? When you have a credit score above 690 and you have a clear background with no evictions, you get the best move-in deals. Another reason people enjoy getting CPN packages from us is when applying for an automobile, they get low interest rates on loans. The money you pay for a CPN package becomes minuscule compared to all the interest, fees, and down payments people have to pay with bad credit to get into an apartment or auto. Please keep in mind anyone including us that sells same-day CPN packages may be able to get you the new CPN package file the same day. However, your public records will not be indexed immediately. It usually takes 10 days for all the public record submissions to populate into the national databases. That is why we recommend at a minimum our basic CPN package or above. Not only do you get a great credit score and new FICO file that you can build on with confidence, but 7-day support as well. Our CPN package credit privacy file numbers are generated from our CPN software algorithm that has been validated by a team of attorneys to assure compliance. We do not sell CPN packages with credit privacy numbers that come from dead people, children, or any other living entity, period. We make sure our clients are educated and confident in using their new credit file CPN package for many years to come. If you have any questions at all about our or anyone's CPN packages, give us a call. We love what we do, and you will too.